What's going on, guys? Alan here at Speedzone Orlando, and we're here with Talking with Speedzone. We're going to talk about how your car is, how crappy your car is, and how nothing fits on your car. When you're ready, Rusty.
I'm never ready!
Why not?
Andrew, we love you.
That's a lie.
Get out of the camera!
That's a lie.
What's good, guys? Rusty here at Speedzone Orlando with another edition of Talking Shop. So, today we're going to be talking about our poor air manager. Today we're going to be talking about airbags. So, last week we talked about coilovers, that lovely static life. This time we're going with something that's a little easier to control your ride height on your car, and that is with airbags, of course. So they come in a variety of parts that will come for your air ride. So you have your actual strut and bag that is set up like this. A few different styles come in when you're getting into air rides. You can do a dual pillow mount or single, or you can actually do the single tube setup that's like on this one right here for your actual airbag. So different styles will come for different applications. Another thing that's cool about air ride is if you have coilovers per se, some of those can be adapted to airbags. Only specific models can, so it's one of those things where if you are on, let's say, D2 coilovers, there are bags that will fit over that coilover and you can turn it into an air ride, which is really awesome. So, if you have questions on that, please let us know. We'll go a little more into that later on. But for the whole air ride setup, you have two different styles. You have a 3P, which is all pressure setup, and then you have a 3H, which is height sensor setup. Height sensor comes with these beautiful little sensors right here. And what's going to happen with that is as you are driving, if that car starts to get a little lower or raise up, the height sensor will then readjust as the car is moving, or if you're parked, to get you at the right height that you want. If you're on the 3P setup, it is a specific height that you're going to pick and choose for either your ride height, for your parked height, and that way it'll stay at that height the whole entire time. So, you have those two different styles. They also come with, of course, air management. This is what helps the whole entire system work in response with everything that's happening.
Here's Johnny.
You have your pump. Hey, Danielle! Perfect. That's good. All right, guys, so with the management system, your lines can actually be anywhere between a 3/8 and a 1/4. Those are your two choices that you have for your airlines to go into your management system. Now, with the airlift management system, you can use multiple setups for bags. It doesn't necessarily have to be anything that's proprietary to airlift. If you have D2s, True Hards, AccuAir, you can go ahead and use those bags for the airlift management system. After your management system, of course, comes your compressors. Your compressors are another important part of your system. That's going to help your car raise back up. It's also going to show you how fast everything can move air throughout the car as well. So there are different kinds of setups for your compressors. You can either go single or dual. So you can, a single compressor, of course, is one compressor like this, or you can do a dual compressor if you have a heavier car, or if you just want the car to perform and raise up quicker, or drop down quicker as well. With the compressors, though, they do come in three different styles. You have a 400, a 444, and then the biggest compressor is a 480. That is going to help with the output of air that's going to filter throughout your whole entire system. Again, that helps your cars raise up quicker for a ride height or dump down quicker to let all the air out. And then after the beautiful compressor, you have your tanks. Tanks come in a variety of sizes and also a variety of finishes. This one right here is a natural steel. It also comes in a matte finish, or you can get them custom done as well, which of course, we do that over here at Speedzone. But size-wise, they come in from a 3-gallon to a 5-gallon tank setup. If you want to do anything custom size for that, then of course that goes into anywhere from 2 to 7 gallons that you can go up to. Those are definitely not the norm. Normally you're going to see anything between a 3 and a 5 gallon. Easy fitments in the cars. Most of the time these are getting fit inside the trunks, or they're getting fit inside the spare wheel well of cars and trucks. It makes it a little easier and keeps your trunk set up nice and clean so you can actually use your trunk. So the last cool thing about Air Ride, some of these lovely systems comes with a nice remote. Now, we're in 2020 at this moment, so a lot of times you're gonna see this stuff be Bluetooth, so you can control everything from your phone if you like to. But if you wanna get that cool feel and if you want everything already programmed into your remote controller, easy as that. Keep it in your center console or have it right onto your dash, and you can set your own ride height, set your park height if you wanna be one of those guys who likes to do some nice hard parking. And then also lift yourself up when you need to go over some nasty speed bumps. So again, full bag setup. This is what it entails. The only thing that we didn't show you guys is of course the lines that go through all your bags into your air management and into your tanks. That is of course what we do when we do the install, and we make sure those stay hidden for you guys. So if you ever have any questions on Air Ride or installation on Air Rides, come and see us over here at Speedzone Orlando or Kissimmee. If you guys have any questions, hit us up at Speedzone, Instagram or Facebook, and always we have all of our parts ready for you guys at speedzone-web.com. Guys, have a wonderful time. We'll see you later.